Ano dito? Wala po? Istasi. Istasi. Okay, wala po, wala po? Sino ba? Sino? Ma'am, anong istasi sa inyo yun, ma'am? Malaman nyo. Ang istasi ko, the police was discussed about drugs. Ano rin ang itunan mo? About the drugs. Ma'am? About the drugs. What is drugs? Sabi nila mayroon tayong liver. Diba? Mayroon tayong istasi. Wow! Wala pa malaman ng drugs dito? Wala ko na natin. Okay. Ano pangalan kaya natin? Ang pangalan niya si Joselito Grupo from Police, National Police, Region 6. Okay? Okay. So, thank you, Mother. So, by the way, I am Rodrigo Rosado Jr. from Battles Against Drugs. Hello? Hello? Are you listening? Ayan na. Okay. Bakit tayo nagtanong ng bad? Back to me. Battles Against Drugs. Okay? Alam mo na ang drug, ang druga ngayon sa atin. Tama ba? Hello? I was former of drug lord. I am drug lord before. Hello? I am drug lord before. That's why I admitted that. Okay? I am drug lord. Okay, sino ba marami